Assimilation in morphology is the process of changing the sound of a morpheme, that the part of a word, to make it more similar to the surrounding sounds. The goal is to make more pronunciation easier and make speech flow more naturally and smoothly. In other words, one word adapts to another nearby sound. In morphology, assimilation occurs when two morphemes meet. For example, when a prefix is adapted to the base word, the change in the form of the morpheme occurs due to phonological sound adjustment. The types of assimilation they have four. First, progressive assimilation. The preceding sounds influence the following sounds. Example rarely occurs in English, more common in other language. Regressive assimilation. The following sounds influence the preceding sounds. The most common example in English. Total assimilation. The sounds change completely to match the sound next to it. For potential assimilation, only some features of the sounds change, like voice or place of articulation. So, why assimilation occurs? For articulation efficiently, easier for pronouns, to make speech flow more naturally, occurs automatically and unconsciously by native speakers. The relationship between morphology and phonology, assimilation is a meeting point between the fluence of morphology and phonology. Morphology deals with word formation, structure, and combination of morphemes. Phonology deals with sounds and how they change in certain contexts. Thus, assimilation is a phonological change that occurs due to morphological process, addition of prefix, suffix, or word combination. So, characteristic of the assimilation process. First occurs the bounding of morpheme, like between a prefix and a verb. Two, usually does not change the meaning of the word, only its form or pronunciation. Three, can occur due to the influence of place of articulation, manner of articulations, or voicing vowel consonant sound. So, assimilation in morphology is the process of sound change due to the influence of surrounding sounds, especially when morpheme meets. The change aims to facilitate pronunciation and make the word structure more natural. Thank you.
Dissimilation is a linguistic process where two similar or identical sounds in a word become less alike, often to make pronunciation easier or clearer. This process results in an increase in the distinctness of sounds within the word. There are several types of dissimilation, including: first, regressive or anticipatory dissimilation, where a later sound changes to become less like an earlier sound, right to left influence. Second one, progressive dissimilation, is where an earlier sound influences a later sound, left to right influence. And the third, dissimilation may also be classified according to whether it affects manner or place of articulation and whether it occurs within words adjacent or across word boundaries not adjacent. For example, include like February, often pronounced as February instead of February, showing simplification by changing the B sound near the R sound. Words like caterpillar, sometimes pronounced as caterpillar, where one R sound is dropped. In Latin derivative adjective suffix AR changes to AR in cases like singular from single to avoid two literal L sounds close together. Thus, dissimilation helps speakers by making